Boruto Uzumaki has used a scientific ninja tool. Lee, Boruto Uzumaki is disqualified. You're no longer a ninja either.
It seems I finally found you.
Get behind me now. Stay put.
So that man is one of them as well, huh?
Are you related to Kaguya Otsutsuki?
All right, who are you?
Wait, those two. Hurry up and evacuate everyone.
This is... Father, what is this?
Don't misjudge your battle strength. You're no match for this enemy.
Metal, you need to go to the central stairway!
Got it!
What is that? Oh, Dad!
Of yours forever!
Stop! Okay. Fire style bullet, Homura!
How vexing you've soiled my cloak.
Boruto. Otsutsuki.
You creatures are quite amusing, you know that? Oh, so it's you again, is it?
Are you done?
No. We won't let you do whatever you want.
Boruto, are you all right?
He absorbed that?
So they're the guys she created the White Zetsu to prepare for?
They want Kurama.
I am Momoshiki Otsutsuki.
Just what do you want here?
Why, you, of course. Our mission is to restart Kaguya's work, and to do so, we're going to collect the chakras scattered from the chakra fruit and revive the divine tree.
And what do you hope to do by resurrecting that legend, Otsutsuki?
We shall create pills from all the chakra that we gather. As long as we have these pills, we are able to acquire true power instantly with no effort whatsoever.
That isn't true power at all.
How is he able to see right through our attacks so easily?
You're currently busy using your weapon, your sand, for search and rescue efforts. You see, that's what happens when you don't have enough sand.
That's the Kazekages!
He has underestimated us.
Yeah. It's about strength that's been honed through extensive training and effort, and it's always dependable at any time.
Are completely incorrect!
Come, Kinshiki.
Sir.
This allows me to amplify all of the jutsu I've absorbed for a counterattack.
Boruto!
It's meaningless!
The Hidden Leaf Village is my home. I won't let you do this to us!
I didn't know Dad had this kind of power.
Use my chakra too.
Just how long can you hold out, huh?
I can see through your moves! Why don't I just end this right now, then? Hameno Tsuburoboshi no Mikoto!
Can you guess why I dug into the earth with my sand?
Water style! Giant vortex jutsu!
Seems you're the naive one now. He got away.
I'll admit, that was a regrettable mistake. So I shall take my leave of you now.
Lord Kazekage, look!
What is that? What's happening?
I'm amazed that you endured this long. After this, it's over.
Let's do it, Kurama! You'd better not be out of shape now!
Don't be foolish. I'm always ready to go.
Wait, why isn't Dad attacking?
But it would take out everything around him in the process.
This is Dad's chakra.
Lord Seventh!
You've done enough. Please get to safety. Lord Seven!
Dad, no!
So tell me, how does it feel to be nourishing this nursery I've created? And shortly you'll become part of the divine tree as well. It's taking too long.
Ninja are different than you. Our abilities took time and hard work to acquire. So we're not gonna give them up. At least not as easy as that.
Once you become chakra fruit, you're merely fodder. With just these pills, we can obtain power greater than yours effortlessly.
It's just like that scientific ninja tool.
Huh?
I pushed him. That's why he relied on that tool. I treated him just like a little kid.
What are you mumbling about, you fool? Just be quiet now.
I really didn't try to understand him at all.
Just let us extract your chakra.
Nope, sorry. There's no way that's gonna happen, dude.
Let's do it!
Dad, hold on!
You vulgar creatures.
Let's get him.
Why are you wearing that?
Many things have happened, Naruto. And well, now he's become a shinobi.
Wait, you just said before, so you have been paying attention.
I'm sorry for everything. When I was just a kid, I wanted attention too, so I kept pulling pranks. I'd also paint words like stupid and idiot on the great stone faces.
You know, it's funny, Dad, but honestly, I hardly know anything at all about you. But now, I want to know. I guess what I mean is, it's fine the way it was. I'd really like you to tell me stories about your past.
We're talking about a seriously long story, you know?
You always say you gotta protect everyone in the village, but I guess you really do mean that, don't you?
Yeah, of course, you know? All right. Let's go do this.
Yeah, I'm with you. Let's do it.
Anyway, just make sure that no one is missing. We don't really know what to expect, so be on guard.
Yes, sir!
Are you worried about Boruto?
Well, yeah, of course. I mean, he's my friend.
Look, all this is the static Rook Oniguma defense. You get what I'm saying, don't you?
Yeah, I do. I'm gonna join the others, Dad.
You're wide open. open.
And so are you.
Chidori!
You guys sure have bad luck.
What's the matter, Boruto? You can't use ninjutsu against him, remember?
Man, what a pain.
We've already taken care of your friend.
Ah, yes, I see. It appears that you're burdened with a rather interesting fate.
What does that mean? What the hell are you talking about?
Just keep your distance, Boruto.
No way, how did he?
Do it now!
This is bad.
It's going to be your turn next.
He just ate him.
You monster! It was Kinshiki's wish to be of use to me.
How about we just end this right now?
All of you fools who would dare to defy a god!
Morkaze Kage!
Boruto.
Found you.
Dad, no!
Let's teach him a lesson, Sasuke!
Yeah.
Go, Naruto!
Yeah!
Planetary devastation!
Are you doing okay, Sasuke?
His power.
I'll lend you the Susanoo's power.
Amazing. Let's finish him with a flashy jutsu and end this.
Please don't suggest something as reckless as that.
All right. Make sure that you get the power of this scientific ninja tool on camera. Take this.
This is Shikamaru's shadow paralysis!
Naruto!
This is bad.
And now you will die.
Boruto. You'll know when the time comes. You'll need to do it, Boruto.
I gotta trust my teacher, Sasuke. I gotta do this.
The Rasengan!
Your attack's nothing but a joke.
The shadow paralysis is...
Undone!
If he mastered the Rasengan, he managed to do just that in only a few days' time. I call it a vanishing Rasengan.
Huh? I did that?
Why, you cheeky little kid.
I don't really even know how I do it.
At first glance, you appear invincible. But it seems even you can't absorb jutsu you can't see.
Boruto, do it again.
It's so... I'm not losing today.
Go, Boruto.
Human child.
What the...
Beware, for those blue eyes shall eventually take everything from you.
Just what the hell are you talking about?
And reflect well upon thy fate as you walk it.
He actually did it. Magnificent.
Did I do all of this?
Well, actually, it was Boruto and the enemy guy who called himself Momoshiki.
Ow. Hey, wait. Did I do it?
He really is, just like you.
Yeah, you think?
You're a total mess.
Look who's talking.
At least I'm still able to stand up, right?
Adding up all of our matches so far, I'd say that we're just about even right now.
I'm the son of Naruto Uzumaki. Boruto Uzumaki.